Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I am out here in a local green area. It's not really a park, it's an eco park, so there's a lot of wildlife and as you can hear there's lots of birds around and even foxes. Like a minute ago there was I would say a baby fox or a younger fox, and that was so lovely. And I just wanted to come on here to say hi and also to invite you to take a minute to just breathe, take a deep breath in and really connect with that which has real power inside, and really find something that can give you a sense of meaning. For me, these walks are just magical. Beyond the sense of meaning that I mentioned, they bring inspiration, they bring insights. I'm not even kidding. I set off with a question in my mind, and I feel like by the end of the walk I either have my answer or at least I have some kind of action in mind that takes me closer to what I need, to what I really need versus to what I want, because these two are quite different. So I hope this little interlude from my walk is bringing you a sense of connection with what motivates you, and I hope you enjoy this video, you enjoy seeing me paint and all the other things that I have collected over the week. It's been a busy week, but at the same time a bit more relaxed because I didn't have to physically go to work. I am going back to teaching face-to-face next week, so things will be slightly different, but what matters is the connection with what truly matters. And I do hope that this video and your life in general is filled with that sense of connection. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, share it, comment, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so, because again, it helps me connect with those of you who are on the same wavelength. Thank you for watching. Much love and light.